Instead of throwing it away, place it under your window. Your bills will be lower. Take some aluminum foil from your kitchen and tear off a piece. Press it gently onto the window frame and smooth it out. Once everything's in place, close the window so the foil sticks firmly. It's a quick and effective way to improve insulation, and it'll help lower your heating bills. Especially in sub-zero temperatures. Take out the insoles from your winter shoes and trace them on thin cardboard. Then, cut them out. Take aluminum foil. Wrap the cardboard insole with it. It's important for the shiny side to be facing up. Insert the prepared insole into the shoe, under the standard insole. Cardboard insulates from the cold. The foil reflects the heat from the foot and helps maintain a higher temperature in the shoe. This simple trick prevents feet from freezing even in sub-zero temperatures. It works especially well for shoes with thin soles. Squeeze toothpaste into a bottle, and the results will surprise you. In just a few minutes, you'll create a solution to your problem. Start with a plastic or glass bottle. Squeeze about 2 tablespoons of any toothpaste into it. Then add about 50 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar dissolves deposits, greasy stains, and bacteria while preventing moisture. Finally, pour in warm water to help dissolve the toothpaste and create a uniform mixture. Seal the bottle and shake it well. Your spray is ready. Use it on windows, mirrors, or other surfaces. Wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. This spray works wonders in cars too, especially on interior windows prone to fogging. It removes smudges, reduces fogging, and keeps your surfaces clean. A natural, effective solution for cleaning windows in humid areas, bathrooms, or car interiors. This simple mixture does wonders to eliminate streaks, residue, and moisture issues. Anyone who wears glasses is familiar with this issue. In winter, when you move from cold outdoor air into a warm room, your lenses immediately fog up, making it difficult to see anything. This can also be dangerous in many situations. Cold glasses exposed to warm, humid air cause water vapor to condense on their surface, a problem triggered by sudden temperature changes. There are many anti-fog products available on the market, but they're often quite expensive. Moreover, we don't always have them on hand when we need them the most. Here's a simple and inexpensive solution to prevent your glasses from fogging up, using items you already have at home. Apply 1 drop of glycerin to each lens, both on the inside and outside. Then polish the lenses with a clean cloth. If you don't have glycerin at home, shaving foam will work as well. Apply it directly to your glasses and thoroughly rub the product into the lenses. Shaving foam reduces surface tension, effectively preventing water vapor from condensing on your glasses. This simple trick will keep your glasses fog-free, no matter how large the temperature difference is. You've been using your ice scraper wrong your whole life. If you look closely, the other side has little teeth. First, run those across the frozen windshield like this. The ridges crack the ice and create tiny fractures in it. That makes the ice lose its grip, so it lifts off the glass much more easily. Only then use the smooth edge and scrape it clean. The ice comes off way faster and with hardly any effort. 5 winter hacks you need to know. Cut a pool noodle lengthwise and open it up. Lift the windshield wiper, place the noodle over it, then lower the wiper back down. Do the same with the other wiper. This prevents the wipers from freezing to the windshield. In the morning, just remove the noodle and you're good to go. Next, take a zip-top bag and open it. Slip it over the side mirror and secure it with a rubber band. Do the same for the other mirror. The bag protects your mirrors from snow and frost. Remove the bags and enjoy mirrors ready for driving. Always keep a piece of cardboard in your trunk. Place it under the front wheels. The cardboard increases traction and helps you move off on snow or ice. 1 tablespoon is all you need, and you can forget about scraping your windshield in the morning. Cold mornings can be really unpleasant, and clearing ice off the glass often takes way too long. Instead of buying an expensive de-icer, you can make your own. Pour 1 cup of alcohol into a tall container. It melts ice fast and boosts the whole mixture. Then add half a cup of white vinegar. Vinegar not only enhances the effect of the alcohol but also lowers the freezing point. helping the ice melt faster and preventing a new layer from forming. Add half a cup of boiled water to get the right consistency. Now add 1 tablespoon of a secret, very important ingredient. It forms a protective layer and slows down refreezing. Add a tablespoon of dish soap to help the mixture spread evenly. A few drops of essential oil will give it a pleasant scent, so it's effective and nice to use. Once mixed, pour everything into a spray bottle, close it and shake well. Spray it over the frosted windshield, and the ice will disappear within moments, leaving the glass perfectly clear. The secret ingredient is glycerin, thanks to which you can finally forget what morning scraping feels like. I don't waste time in the morning defrosting my car windows. At night, I spread a towel over the glass. The towel traps the moisture, so ice doesn't form, and the windows stay clear and ready to drive in the morning. This is how I lowered my bills in winter. Stick double-sided tape to the frame. Then, remove the protective layer and attach the bubble wrap over the entire surface. The bubble wrap acts as an extra layer of insulation, trapping heat inside and protecting against the cold from outside. Not only will you take care of your bills, but you'll also improve the insulation in your home. Don't do this if you wouldn't want your leather shoes to last for years. This trick was shown to me by my uncle, who has worked as a cobbler for many years. Shoes made of genuine leather absorb moisture easily without proper protection, which quickly leads to damage. But I have a solution for that. Add 1 tablespoon of baby shampoo to a bowl. It's gentle, doesn't dry the leather out, and helps clean the surface without damaging its structure. Then pour in about 2 fluid ounces of olive oil, which nourishes, softens, and protects the leather from cracking. Also add about 2 fluid ounces of vinegar. The vinegar helps protect the leather from moisture. Finally, add a few drops of lavender essential oil, which has antibacterial properties and leaves a pleasant scent. Mix everything thoroughly with a spoon so the ingredients combine well. Apply the prepared mixture evenly to the shoes and spread it carefully over the entire surface. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Remove the excess with a paper towel. After a few minutes, reach for Vaseline. Apply a small amount with a cotton swab, focusing on creases and dry areas. Leave the shoes for about 1 hour so the leather can absorb everything. Finally, wipe them with a dry microfiber cloth to remove any residue and give them a subtle shine. Thanks to this method, you'll waterproof your shoes for many seasons to come.